Hello guys, I am Chelsea. For today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between the English alphabet and the Filipino alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters, while the Filipino alphabet has 28 letters. This is the English alphabet. Let's read it aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The English alphabet has 5 vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U. And it has 21 consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's sing the English alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now let's go to Filipino alphabet. Filipino alphabet has 28 letters. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, G, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It has 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And it has 23 consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, N, G, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's sing the Filipino alphabet. Ang alpabeto Filipino, madaling bigkasin, sabayan niyo ako. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, G, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So there you have it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Bye!